Hey guys, I just found this audio clip here of Kevin Smith talking about the bat suit, which apparently he has seen. And so here it is. It's a little bit lengthy, but here goes. I'll try and get it for you.
And he shows me, he pulls out his iPhone, man, as if it was going to be like, look at this picture of my kid. Pulls me to this side. Here's what he pulls me to this side, and he shows me, he pulls out his iPhone, man, as if it was going to be like, look at this picture of my kids.
Right.
And he showed me something that just, I'm not kidding. I went glassy-eyed, and not because I was baked. Absolutely glassy-eyed. I went weak in the knees and shit, and it made me happy in such a way that nothing that I'm not involved with or something has made me feel in a long fucking time. I saw the Batman costume.
Shut up. Ben Affleck's costume?
More than that, I saw a picture of him in the costume.
No way.
Now,
was he crying? Because he cries a lot, that guy. So a lot of tears come out of him.
No, he was counting a pile of money, dude.
He was dabbing his eyes with hundreds.
Now, I don't want to give anything away because that's up to them and stuff.
Right, so let's put the picture up now of that costume. Oh, wait a minute, I don't think we have that picture.
But I'm going to say this, man. I instantly bear hugged him. It is, you have not seen...
Probably not the reaction he wanted, I might add.
He was happy with that. You have not seen this costume in a movie on film before. It is, and for a comic book fan, it was mind-bending. I was like, get the fuck out of here. Only you have enough power to pull this off, man. Because everyone always, like, does this fucking Matrix-y kind of /X-Men.
Black armor thing, locked in, rivets,
this is
nipples sometimes.
Yes. Yeah. There wasn't a single nipple on this fucking suit, man.
Oh, that's promising.
It was fantastic. I'm telling you, as a geek, I was just like, so they're going to, who knows.
Sure there wasn't a heart attack.
Yes. I was like, this give me a heart attack. He's like, it might be the donuts. I was like, all right. So, I mean, I've already, of course, a flag waiver for the movie, but the costume, it blew my mind. I'm so fucking happy. I think even you will be happy. I think everyone is just going to be like, holy shit. It's its own thing, man. It's like we haven't been down this path at all. Oh, I was so elated. As happy as I was for that movie, as excited as I was, knowing the guy in a suit helps, but whether I knew that dude or not, as excited as I was like a child, dude. I wanted to see Batman and Superman together on the big screen since there was a Batman TV show with Adam West, a Superman movie with Christopher Reeve. I was like, why can't they meet and fuck? I didn't say that, but I was like, why?
But you were thinking it.
But it was in my deep black heart.
That's right.
But seeing that image, dude, like instantly, it was like that moment in Ratatouille when, like, the critic eats the fucking ratatouille, and it goes racing like back to his childhood.
Right.
And I was a fat little kid watching Batman, holding Amigo's Superman doll against the screen and trying to make it happen.
Work them together. With a Chips Ahoy in the other hand. Crying while you nibbled at it.
It's pretty damn spellbinding. I was so fucking happy. I think even the hardest core, like, fuck all this person is going to be like, all right, I'm ready.
That's very exciting.
Yeah. So, cool. I don't know. I thought that was kind of cool. I wish I had an image to show you. I took a picture with my mind. You know, he kept pulling it away going, like, it's cool, right? I was like, yeah, hold on.
I need to memorize this.
Trying to spread it open and pour over every detail and stuff. It was really, that sounds dirty. It was really.
Was that Zach or the picture?
Oh, both. I didn't care, man. After he showed me that picture.
Draw it, Kevin. This guy said.
I wish I could, man, but you know who could, I don't want to spread. There's a very influence to it, I would say. It's fucking, that's it. That's all I want to do. Because, and also, just to fucking put this out there, anytime I say something about this fucking movie, which again I have nothing to do with, some asshole online is just like, Kevin Smith that keeps talking about Man of Steel because he knows Ben Affleck, you know, and it's only because generally people ask me questions and I respond to those questions.
Right.
This one I definitely present out there just because I was psyched and geeked to see it and stuff. But I'll pre-write every blogger's piece right now.
Okay. 'Cause here I am going, like, the suit rocks, and I guarantee every blogger here just, 'cause I know, I don't want to spread, there's a very influence to it, I would say. I
because here I am going, like, the suit rocks, and I guarantee every blogger here just cut and paste this into any piece that follows. Kevin Smith also said that Daredevil was an awesome movie.
Yeah, so that's there. I don't know if you heard it clearly or whatnot, but just check it out online. It's all over the internet. Just Kevin Smith audio batsuit type thing. Yeah, what do you think? Never know. At least there's no bat nipples. See you guys next time. Peace out.